y'all. Ooh, this cup all in the way. So, what am I doing today? I am actually watching a Christmas movie right now. It is old. It's called A Christmas Miracle. And when did this come out? Trying to find out when it came out. What y'all doing today? Back to work was me today, so that's why I'm getting y'all so late. It's with one of the Tamara Mowry Housley, Brooks Darnell, Kendall Cross. This came out in 2019, but it's called A Christmas Miracle. Let me show y'all on the TV, that way you can see what it is. And I got my little Christmas shirt on. Okay, it's the most wonderful time of year. Let me show y'all my slippers too. Y'all, look at my little slippers. Aren't they cute? Little snowman. I got them from Target. Got the little ball on them. But they are the only thing I don't like, they pick up everything. So if you got like anything on your floor, I had lint all on them. I walked out on the back porch. No business walking out back there because it's leaves. I had little leaves stuck to them. But they are the cutest thing. And let me see if I can show y'all this movie real quick. Let me turn on some lights. But this is the movie that I'm watching. I hope that that's not too much of a glare. But y'all can see what I got going on. All of the customers watch. I made sure I pulled this up so that I can see what I can save, what I need to save to my watch later list. And the table has nothing on it. So we're going to go ahead and do the table. And we will probably get the bar area done as well, because you can see there's nothing on the counter there. I don't have anything up there. So at least we can get this one area done today. And I might be able to get the counter done, but we will see. But before we get into that, ooh, I'm cutting my head off. Let me fix that. All right. These are the plates that go on the table, so I'm just gonna move these out of the way. I need to be fixing some dinner too. So I took out some chicken breast. And I'm gonna just do those real quick. We have a package. This is, I already know what it is. It is, should be my planner, my 2025 planner. So y'all know last year was the first time I bought a planner from Booked, and so I went on and decided to get my planner early this year, because last year they ran out of the one that I wanted. And look at this. Love that they protected the packaging. I need to be doing this for reels also. So let me set up my other camera so that I can create a reel at the same time, because I am now an ambassador for Booked. Yay me! Oh, could y'all see the shirt close up? I don't remember. It's old, so some of y'all have seen it already, some of you haven't. And since it's the most wonderful time of year, why don't we get us a glass of wine? Let's do that. Let's do that. Do we have... It's the most wonderful time of the year. That's a Chardonnay. Oh, I know this is gonna be good. So this is a Washington State, because I love Washington State wines. This is Sonder. It's a 2022, and it's a Grenache Blanc. So this is probably gonna be really good. Pro tip: when you're opening your wine that has a twist top, turn the bottle here, and you heard it crack, and it'll come right off. Oh no! I gotta break out the wine glasses for Christmas. Hold on. Christmas wine glasses are here. Dang, my battery dying already. All right, so they need to be washed, but I have 2 of these, and I got these from don't pay attention to So don't pay attention to the nail because I took it off. It was just a press on. But I got these from Marshall's a while ago, either Marshall's or At Home, one of the two. We have this one. Cannot remember where it came from. We got this one from a wine club that I used to be in. So those are those. We have some stemless ones. So I'm going to just drink out of one of these, and then I'm going to wash these up and take them out so that I can actually set them all up over here on the bar for Christmas time. Let me change my battery. Y'all, this don't make no sense. How are all 3 of my batteries on their last leg? And this one is about to turn off. I thought that I had charged them all, but no. So anyway, again, this is the wine, and we're gonna drink out of. As long as we have wine, the holidays will be fine. Y'all know what else I need to do? I need to go ahead and get my wine advent. I'm just gonna do 12 days. So if I can get it, I need it to by the 13th, because I'm gonna do the 12 days of Christmas. I normally do 24 bottles, but I'm only gonna do 13 this year. And for those of you who are new to me and new to this channel, I normally do a wine advent, and it's a different bottle. They're like one serve. Most of them you can get 1 glass out of them. Some of them 1.5 glasses. But it's a different wine every day, and you don't know what it is until you cut the top open. But this year I'm only going to do 12 days. So I need to get it and have it by the 13th, because that's the technically 13 days leading up to Christmas. Yeah. So let's get to opening this planner. I do have my phone set up so that I can do a reel. Oh, this wine is, oh gosh, wow. Oh, this is very fruity. It's like green apples, lemon, it's good. Pear, and it's not sweet. This thing, hard to undo. It's tight. It's great packaging. Where's my knife? Trying not to cut my box up. Alright, this is the box that it comes in. Now let's figure out how to get in the box. Oh, look! How cute! This is a page, like a page, what do you call them? Bookmark. And it comes with a little card and affirmations on the back. You have a pocket here for your receipts. Stickers in the front. And then they wrote a note for you here. And I love it. I love this size. And it comes with, oh, it's stuck in here. That's why I can't get it out. Duh. Comes with a nice pen. Nice pen. And I'll just bring y'all closer. I'll give you a closer view in another video. so I hung some garland around the sign. And then over here, I just put the glasses up. And let me see if I can. It just says Merry Christmas. Tablecloth somewhere. I don't remember where, but I think there is a stain on it. But we're gonna work with it anyway. And I just remembered that I don't have all of the things that I want to hang on the back of the chairs. So, and I haven't fixed my napkin ring. So the table is not gonna be finished today, but we're gonna get some of it done. Stick with the red and like the traditional Christmas colors for the most part. I need to get some soil because my little basil plant over here, she is not doing well. I actually like that. Very basic. I like where we starting. This is my canvas for the table. So here's the table, and that's the start of it. I will have that finished by the weekend. So this weekend I'll come back and show y'all what everything looks like. I did add a little towel there, and over here I have already added my kitchen towels there, and it's a little Santa with him dogs. He don't have reindeer, but he has some little doggies. So I have that there, and the hot cocoa bar has to get done. I got a lot to do. Whew. Trying to decorate after getting off work, it's a lot. I did put the Christmas blankets on the chair. I did get that out of the way. I do like my little sign, my wine sign with the garland hanging from it. I didn't do that last year. That's my first time doing that. I think I like the way that turned out. Anyway, I need to clean up this mess because I have made a mess in the kitchen. If y'all could see, I want to use these lights for something. I feel like they need to be somewhere. Oh, I could. No, that's not long enough. No, that's not long enough. I need to find some. These lights will be put to use. But if y'all can see the mess that I have made in this kitchen, I ain't even cooked no dinner yet. So I'm gonna. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock almost. So I'm gonna clean up this mess that I have made. I did find an extra garland. This one is probably gonna go in at the front door on the table. I got a project that I'm gonna do for the kitchen counter because I told y'all I'm gonna do the Christmas village around the tree. I gotta go buy my trees this weekend, and this weekend at some point y'all will see all the decorations done. It's just difficult doing them getting off work because I do so much. Like, I probably do too much. Is there such a thing as too much when it comes to Christmas decor? I don't know. I'm gonna venture out and say no. Anyway, let me get out of here and get this kitchen clean so I can cook my family some dinner.